Welcome to the Tellabs Optical LAN Installation Series video, Installing Oracle Database for Panorama EMS. The purpose of this video is to provide instruction for the installation of the Oracle database when deploying the Tellabs Optical LAN Panorama EMS. This video serves as a quick reference guide. Detailed procedures for installing software can be found in the Panorama PON EMS Installation and System Administrator Guide. The topics covered in this video will be the requirements of the Panorama server prior to Oracle database installation, and a step-by-step process for installing the database. The Panorama server requires a database installation to retain and back up the network optical LAN configuration and log files. Oracle Database is a multimodal database management system produced and marketed by Oracle Corporation. When using an Oracle database, the database must be installed prior to the installation of the Panorama PON EMS software. Note, to install Oracle database for a DoD deployment, see the DoD deployment installation guide found in the Tellabs Secure website. For the purpose of this video, we will be discussing the installation of Oracle database on a non-DoD installation. To complete the database installation, you will need the Oracle Database 12c Release 2 software for Microsoft Windows and the Panorama PON EMS installation software found on the Tellabs Secure website. The Panorama PON EMS installer contains utilities that facilitate the installation of Oracle. There are a few steps to prepare the platform for the install. First, download the Oracle Database. This comes as a zip file. The contents of the zip file must be extracted or unzipped to an Oracle staging area. This is a folder where the Oracle software will be accessed by the Panorama PON EMS installer. The name of the folder will be the same as the zip file. Unzip the file in the root of the Windows server. The extraction process may take several minutes. There are two environmental variables that need to be deleted prior to the database installation, Perl5lib and Java options. To remove these variables, select Control Panel, System and Security, System, Advanced System Settings, Environmental Variables. Scroll through the system variables. If either of these variables is listed, select them and click Delete. Panorama PON software is found on the Tellabs Secure website. Follow the protocol for your browser to download the Panorama PON file. Locate the executable file in the Downloads folder and double-click on it to start the installation. The program may take some time to load. Once the program has completed loading, a splash screen will appear. After the intro, the license agreement for Tellabs products appears. Read and accept the terms. Click Next. In the Choose Install Set screen, select Oracle Server and click Next. The Choose Install Folder dialog appears. It is recommended that the default directories be used when installing the Oracle database. Click Next. Enter the IP address or host name of the host server and Oracle SID. The default Oracle SID is EMS. Click Next and accept the default Oracle data folder. On the Choose the Oracle Staging Area dialog, click Next to use the default Oracle data folder. The pre-installation summary screen appears. Verify the information and click Install. A progress bar indicates the Oracle package is being installed. This is followed by the Oracle Installation Ready dialog. Click OK. The Install Complete screen appears. Click Done to close the installer and reboot the server. After the reboot, the Oracle database needs to go through a setup process. First, assure that you are logged into the server as administrator. In the server command prompt, navigate to Tellabs, Panorama PON, BBNGR. Here, execute the setup.exe file. Accept the default Oracle install folder in System Password. The Oracle Universal Installer will then launch. This window will echo information for some time. Monitor this for errors. When the process is complete, the listing will request that the server be restarted. Reboot the server. After Oracle is installed and the server has been rebooted, validate connectivity by entering the command sql+ system/tellabs@EMS. The output should indicate that you are connected to the Oracle database. Type quit to disconnect from the database. Once Oracle has been installed, the Panorama EMS software can then be installed. Use a custom install when using the Oracle database. When prompted for the database, select Oracle. Select the defaults in the Oracle Database Connection Parameters dialog. In the Oracle User Account Parameters dialog box, select the defaults or enter other values as needed. In an initial install, the Oracle Connection error box appears. Select Create Users. In the Get System Users Password dialog, enter the password for the Oracle System User. The default here is Tellabs, all lowercase. Continue the rest of the install. This concludes this video. In it, you have learned the requirements of the Panorama server prior to Oracle database installation and a step-by-step process for installing the database.